guys, welcome back to my channel today. You know who it is, it's your boy Sagidi. Yeah, so you know how it is. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. You can like this video, share it with your friends and your loved ones. It's a very educative video, and it's going to be a very interesting one today. So without wasting much of your time, I want to ask a question to artists and musicians, those that are into content creating and all that. I want to ask, how do you make money from your music? Or are you not making money from your music? I'm talking about upcoming artists. I know that we have A-list artists, people like Wizkid and Burna Boy, who are making a lot of money from their music, who have already mastered the game. You know, and that is the essence of this video. How do you make money from your music? How do you make money from your content? How do you manage your music business? You know, who helps you? How do you manage to make money from this business? Because so many of us don't realize that it's a business, you know, and when you don't realize that it's a business, you will get it wrong and you will just be doing it for the sake of you want to do it. And this is the wrong idea that I've been trying to correct for many years. I've been in this game for over 10 years, and music money is what I've been using to feed my family. Although I manage a lot of artists and things like that, I have released over 3 albums of mine, and I have over 50 songs monetized online. So the question is, how do you make money with your music? Do you just give out your music to people to help you distribute? Do you just give out your music? You want to just get out there and just share your music so that everybody will listen to it without knowing if it is making money or not? And this is what I want to do this video for today, because I've seen a lot of artists complaining, lamenting about their music. They want to make money from their music, but their music is everywhere. As long as your music is on Spotify, on iTunes, on Instagram, on TikTok, definitely it's making money. Understand? So how do you go about your money? How do you calculate your money? Who is helping you to make this money? And that is what this video is about. Because if you are not making money with your music, that means you're playing with it, and someone else, trust me, someone else is actually making money with it. That's because you're not in control of it and you don't know how to go about it. Do you understand what I mean? And that is the error we have today in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole, because a lot of artists don't just know where to start. They just believe that they have to find money to pay some people to do art designs for them, to help them distribute their music. And you forget that once someone is helping you distribute your music, that automatically gives the person right and a share, if I'm not mistaken. If you are paying attention, you are giving him part of your money. Because even if the person is helping you to go and make that money, at the end of the day, when the money comes, he's going to take a share. You get what I mean? He's going to make a profit out of you. So if you don't know how to go about your music, I've put together a very intensive and simple, easy to follow video tutorial on how to manage your music business from scratch. And what I mean from scratch is from scratch. Once you're done from the studio, you don't need anybody. With your phone, and I mean with your phone, you can do your designs, your art design, your album cover, your EP designs. You can distribute your music to all the platforms, to iTunes and Spotify. You can distribute your music on YouTube, every other platform that you see other artists distribute their music. And you're going to learn exactly how to monetize it, how to get your money direct into your bank account in Nigeria without any third party, without anybody coming in to share money with you or tell you stories. And you're going to be able to monitor your music. You're going to learn how to create a fan link. You're going to learn how to create your pages for your artist pages. You're going to create artist pages for yourself, active artist pages, not the one that you use. You're going to create something that will attract fans all over the world to listen to your music. You're going to learn how to do promotion, ads, run ads on music. Music ads promotion is different from other stuffs, right? Because you're going to learn how to target people, the right people that will listen to your sound, the right people that will pay money to stream your music, the right countries that will listen to your music. And this is what I'm talking about. So many of us think the Nigerian music industry is just only for Nigeria or for Nigerians, without knowing that Nigerian music has gone global. You know what I mean? It has gone global. People can be in Japan and they'll be listening to your music, and You be in Nigeria thinking that it's just for Lagos or for Nigeria. No, people can be in China, people can be in US, and they are your biggest fans. They are making you money, they are listening to your sound, they are paying you, they are willing to pay. And these are the countries we're talking about, where people don't take music for granted, where people will definitely pay, where it's a crime to stream someone's music without his knowledge or without making a payment or a contribution towards that. And that is what this course is all about. I've put the course together, and the link is going to be on this video or my subsequent videos to help artists or individuals who want to go into music business and manage other artists in their music ventures. It's a very easy to follow step-by-step video tutorial that will guide you from scratch to the end. When I mean the end is you will be done with your music, you have monetized it, you have linked up your accounts, you have linked up your bank, you are now receiving reports, monthly reports, quarterly reports on how your music is doing and how much it is earning for you. Nobody's going to tell you that, nobody's going to manage that for you, nobody's going to help you with that. This is something you're going to be doing for yourself and for your generation to come, because this is going to be a lifetime stuff. It's something that you're going to be doing. Your music is permanent. Once your music is one of those stores, it's going to be there forever. Spotify, iTunes, and all the rest, they're going to be paying you every time, as long as that music remains there, unless you want to take it down. And that is what I'm going to be teaching in the course, and that's what I've already put down, step-by-step video that is over 2 hours to 3 hours content that you need to digest step by step. And the good thing about the course is that you're going to have a lifetime access to it, which means you can always use the video for reference, so that anytime you're doing anything, you can go back to the course and say, okay, this is how they did it here, okay, this is how I would do it. From scratch, you're going to start from scratch. When I mean from scratch, you're going to learn how to create your artworks, your album covers. I know how much people pay for all those things. You're going to learn how to distribute. If you're paying someone to help you distribute your music, you know how much you're going to pay for that. If you're going to pay somebody to do art campaigns for you, you're going to know how much you're going to pay for that. So this is value, a very big value that I'm giving out, and it's very, very, very affordable. It's not something we can give out for free, because I know that people value what they pay for. So it's something you can afford if you're in Nigeria, if you're in Ghana, if you're in Africa, and you want to take your music to the next level by yourself. And the good part, the sweetest part of it is that this is something you're going to be doing with your phone. You don't need a computer. If you have a computer, good. But if you don't have, as long as you have a phone, you can watch this video. You can actually do this by yourself. You can actually start your music business fresh. You can forget about the past. You can start fresh and start making the money that you desire and you deserve. Because as long as you have worked, you deserve to make some money from it. Because music is business. People are making a living from it. People are buying houses from it. People are building houses, buying cars, doing everything from it. So I'm not going to talk much about that. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. You can share this video, let it help people that are interested in it, and I'll appreciate that. So without wasting much of your time, I'll see you in my next video. Remember, blessed and bye.